So I want to add a link to this session pop-up in my agenda app. And the way I'm going to do that is by simply embedding a link into the session description text for this session. So the way I do that is if I go across to the back end, go to my sessions, and this is the session I'm looking at, this 5G and beyond. And I can literally just go into the session description and edit it. And you'll notice here it's got formatting guide. And if you click this link, it will take you to a page which explains how you can use markdown syntax to embed a link in here. And so what I want to do is I want the text in my session description to have a bit of text here that's got a link embedded behind it. So I want it to look like that and be a clickable link. So the syntax that I need looks like this. So I'm just going to, first of all, I'm going to copy and paste that into my session description at the bottom. And I'm actually going to change that to register to attend. And then in here, I would just put the link that I want. So in this case, I'm just going to put Lineup Ninja's homepage, lineup.ninja, and I'm going to save that. And it's already previewing it in here, so it's showing you that that is a link that if you follow it, it will take you to the Lineup Ninja homepage. So that's working in the preview here. What I now need to do is to publish that onto the website so that when users come here, they'll see that bit of text saying register to attend at the bottom of here. So all I have to do is go to publish agenda. This is my website publication. I can see it's now out of date. So I hit publish. That's going to take a few moments to push out that update. Okay, that's done. So if I now go here and register to attend has now magically appeared here. So if we click it just to test it, and again, yep, it's taking me to the homepage. So that works. So that's how you can stick a link in your Lineup Ninja agenda app. Okay, thanks for watching. Give it a try. If you run into any problems, then please reach out to support. Thanks.